Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram on PC. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your PC and go to instagram.com. You will be taken to the login page. So you can choose to log in with Facebook or enter your login details. In this video, I will be logging in with my username. So enter your phone number, username or email address and enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password to reset your password. Once you are done, tap Login. And that's how you log into Instagram on PC. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.